Hi friends, in this lecture we'll study how to make the north pointer or the compass in Autocad. In order to do so, we'll use the circle command and we'll hit enter. We'll click at the center point and draw a circle of a random radius and then hit enter. Again we'll use the circle command, use the same center point and draw another circle of slightly lesser radius and hit enter. Now we use the line command and draw one line from the center of the circle and to the top of the upper circle. Then you can trim the extra line this way. Then we'll array this line. So we use the array command and we hit enter. Select the object to array is this object. Hit enter. Select polar array and hit enter. Give this as the center point and number of items, here you type it as 4. As 8, you draw it as 8. Number of items, you specify 8. And then you can come out of the array command by pressing escape. Now you use the line command, turn off the snap and draw one line from the intersection of this and ensure that your ortho is off and somewhere up to here. Hit enter and then mirror the line. So we type mirror. Select the object to mirror is this. Hit enter. First point of mirror line, use the snap is this. Second point is this. Hit enter. Now again use the array command and hit enter. Select the objects to array, it is this. Then hit enter. Rectangular or polar, we say polar. Center point is this. And number of items is 4 and hit enter. Come out of the array command. Again use the line command and we draw one line from this. Ensure that your snap is off and of a random length up to here. Then mirror that line. So we say mirror. Select the object to mirror is this. Hit enter. Select the first point of mirror line is this. Second is this. Come out of the mirror command. Now we'll use the array command. Select the object to array is this. Hit enter. Select polar array. Select the center point is this. And number of items is 4. Then come out of the array command. Then erase the unwanted circles. So we don't want this and we don't want this. And you can hit enter. And you can use the trim command to trim this extra line. If it doesn't get trimmed, then explode it by typing the explode command and click on the object to explode. Then hit enter. Now trim the extra lines. Then come out of the trim command. Then use the hatch command and hatch the area which you want to color. So I would like to hatch this area with a solid color. I would like to hatch this area, then this area and this area. You can specify the kind of hatch you want. Is it a solid hatch or you want a different kind of hatch? So I prefer a solid hatch. Then I want to write N. So I will use the text command and I'll specify the start point and the height of the text, and the rotation angle is 0, and then the text is N, and hit enter. Then move the text, select the text, hit enter, click anywhere and move it to a suitable angle. So our compass is ready. Now with reference to any image you have, you can place that compass. So you can group this object by typing group, and you can select this and hit enter, and it gets grouped. And now you can move this grouped object anywhere in your image. And then if you want to rotate it, you can even rotate it depending on the requirements of the client. So hit enter, specify the base point, so your compass is ready. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.